Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to set all border text in Microsoft Word document. So let us started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly, then I will show that the set all border in text. Now select from the all text option. Now going to the home menu option. Now click with the border option. Now for click, then click with the all border option. That's it. Then I show set all border in text. Then again all border. Now select from the all text option. Now going to the border option. Now click with the all border option. That's it. Then I show set all border text in Microsoft Word document. It's very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.